as a classical pianist. And then the story went on, and some probably influence of Solling and other artists went inside and created deeper thought, and he just decided to make it to opera. So I'm performing that from Europe to here whenever I can, and always finishing on the side. I hope you will love it. Thank you. This is something very special for tonight. My family and me are very proud of our audience for this kind of event, and it's a very unique event. I never held an event of this type, so I'm very proud that my family, my husband and me manage. It's a big sport, by the way. Thank you. You're always a support. It's hard to live a concert pianist. So, so I'm just very proud that I see all of you that you managed to pull, because of this. Some people, you said I can't mention some names, but I have to mention your name, and Predrag as well, and our president of the church, and the entire, how do you say in English? Oh, good. executive board, and Gordana is amazing. I think that we're so lucky that church got a new executive board and new citizen board and cultural artistic board as well. We are a very small community, so I have to thank the sponsors, Marte Brankovich for dinner, and I have to really thank the Ivančević family. Olja as well, she's on board, she's amazing. I mean, so many people I see here tonight that helped me this venture. Many of them, really nice, the wine and some champagne in the back, and some fun later on. So really thank you for coming, and you can stay if you were willing to release some donations for the church. We're also grateful for that. So have fun tonight and enjoy. Thank you.